Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. After getting bounced by the support of a big triangle and breaking out this down channel, the price line is testing a support on the immediate short term. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let's take a look at this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is moving in a very big descending triangle. We have several touch points at the support and several touch points at the resistance as well. And you can see that the price line found this support here in the month of January 2021 when we had this rally. And during this correction, the price line tested this support and moved up, and after this big rally, the price line again dropped at this support. And after another big rally, the price line again dropped at this support here in the month of November 2021. And after a short rally, the price line is still testing this support. And this is a kind of double bottom formation as well, because you can see that the price line moved down, moved up, and now it is again at the support. And if it will be moved up again once more, then after this double bottom, there will be a really very high probability for the breakout. We also have a very strong support of this 100. Sorry, not the 100. This is a stronger support, that is 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. That is very strong support. Now let's move to the very small time frame, 4 hourly time frame chart. And here I've been showing you that the price line has broken out this resistance of the down channel, and after this breakout, it is having some correction and moving sideways here. Now, if I will place a trend line here, then you can see that the price line has found a support here on the immediate short term, that is approximately at 6.1 cents. And it is testing the support here, and now it is likely to test the support once again. And here, this level has been working as a very nice support and resistance. Here it worked as a support, here it worked as a resistance. And before that, this level has been working as a very nice support as well. Therefore, after this correction, once the price line will again test its support, it can move up from here. Now let's move back to this very big triangle, and let's take a look at the target for this triangle that I have been showing you even in my previous videos. I'm just going to tell you once again. If we will have a breakout from here, it depends from where we will have a breakout. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then we can expect a move approximately up to 19 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.